This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and in today's video I will lead you through the process of setting up parental control for this device. So the first step is to open Settings, find and enter the Accounts or Password in Accounts category. In here you have to check whether you have any Google accounts added. If you have, like I do, you will need to remove them one by one like so. Once there are no Google accounts left, you can get back to the main settings page and enter the Google category this time. Then tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Onwards, you will need to log into your child's Google account, so I'll do exactly that. So then just proceed with the login as you would normally do. After the sign-in procedure or process was finished, select the Google account you have just logged into from the list. And now we will need to enter another Google account credentials, this time for the account belonging to you as a parent or supervisor. Or, to put it in other words, the account that you will be using to supervise your child's activity. So, you know the drill, enter email, follow it by typing in inputting the password. Then once the account will be checked, you will be forwarded to the following About Supervision page, at which you will need to enter the password to the child's Google account one more time. Upon doing so, tap at the Agree button, then at the following dialog window that you get, tap at the Allow, and wait for the parent and child accounts parent and child accounts to get linked. Already, then we can click Next. In here, the Manage Child's App step we can skip, since we will be able to do it later on and with more precision and more functions to tweak. But, well, as for right now, we're more focused on finishing the setup sooner. The same applies for this one, which allows you to prematurely manage filters and settings. And from here, if the device or tablet phone that is highlighted over here is the device you will be using to supervise your child, you can tap at the blue button and the required Family Link application will be automatically downloaded and installed on your phone or tablet, whatever is the device that you use. But you can absolutely download and install the app manually, so just go for this skip. At this point, everything at the child's end more or less was set up. So now take the phone that you are planning to supervise your, precious child from, and download the Family Link app on it. Then once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, it is important to make sure that you sign into the Family Link application with the parental account. And in the app itself, you can do all kinds of stuff, such as controlling your child's device usage in terms of setting some usage limits. Here they are, downtime routine, fully, entirely manage your supervisee's app activity and, see the app activity as well. Apply content restrictions and age filters. Then configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple people to look after. Then you can monitor your child's location and see the device usage highlights, which will basically provide you with the summed up summary with the most important facts about your device, your supervisee or your child's device and, their usage. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.